What's up, y'all? As you can tell by the title, I am going to be showing you how I do my application. Just an FYI, some parts of this video sped up and cut just because I was not in the frame. I'm getting better day by day with actual filming, and I appreciate you all for recognizing me and what I do. The parts that are sped are not sped up too much, just because I wanted you to see how I'm actually doing said application. So here I am placing a bead down with the free edge of the nail plate in the tip meat. I know some people start with a huge cuticle bead and let it run down, but here at the headquarters, we're not that advanced, okay? So place that bead down. We're going to gently pat to get the acrylic in place and start to cover those sidewalls and the bottom of the tip. I'm taking another bead similar in size to the first bead that I picked up and placing it down right above where I placed that first bead down at. Gently pushing it upwards towards the cuticle, but not too much since this isn't the actual cuticle bead. Patting it into place and swiping down gently, but not too much to the point where I'm wiping away product. I'm making sure to get that acrylic that is trying to run and flood the sidewalls, getting it back on track and swiping it down the nail. Now for the fun part. When I'm picking up the cuticle bead, I'm making sure that it's smaller than the previous beads and dry. So I'm draining some of the monomer off of my brush by laying the belly of my brush on the paper towel. You do not want it to be too dry to where it's setting as soon as it's placed down, but you want it dry enough to where when you place it down, it's not running and flooding and you can get it into place quickly. I'm gently patting and swiping this bead just as I've done to the others, but not too much because you don't want it on the cuticle or the skin. As you can see, the bottom of the nail isn't covered with acrylic, so I'm going in with another semi-dry bead. Moving on to the middle finger, I'm taking a bead and placing it where the free edge of the nail and tip meet. Pat that bead into place. This would have been a great opportunity to have picked up a semi-dry bead so I'm not swiping away the product, but hey, we live and we learn. Now for the cuticle bead, it's semi-dry. I'm patting and pushing it towards the cuticle and swiping it downwards. The thumb is by far my favorite to do just because it's a bigger canvas and you don't have to work as quickly as long as the beads that you pick up aren't super wet. Unfortunately, I did not get much of me doing my thumb, but I promise you it's the exact same process as the rest of the fingers. I'm going to be making a video that is more tailored to the application on the thumb, so stay tuned for that. We are nearing the end of this video. I really hope that this was helpful to you in some shape or form. If you found this video helpful or overall enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and comment. That'll make my day. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.